Hmm? Are you done? Okay, let's begin. This one, you will use that one here, What are you going to cook for Papa, baby? It's pancake. You wait.
No, wait.
Wait now. Oh, you wait. I will put that one. You will put that one after this. Okay? Okay? Okay. Oh, you go ahead. Oh, look me. Oh. Okay. Ashley will cook for pie.
Bye-bye.
Yay! Okay. Nossa. Opa. Okay. Okay, that is it. What happened to your pancake?
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, so good. Wow.
Wow. Also, the other one.
My singing.
Okay.
Look at this, right?
Okay.
Let's make a taco.
Mhm.
My
careful.
sopa.
It's circle.
My sopa candy.
Oh, be careful. This is hot, okay? Wow. What happened to your pancake, baby?
It's a kapoy. Kapoy.
Not yet. See,
No, kapoy.
We see, there's a bubble.
No, kapoy. No, kapoy.
Say hi to everyone.
No, kapoy.
See? Wow. Did you saw that? There's a bubble.
Like this. Like this.
See? That's your pancake. Oh. Did you taste your pancake?
Like a kapoy cake. A sopa plain cake. A tutay cake. My cake.
That's for Papa,
This is the kitty. Yep. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, let's
Wait,
stop.
there's a bubble is going up in the pancake. Not yet. See?
Wait.
Careful.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
See? There's a bubble. Wow.
Whoa. Wait.
Not yet because see? This is not cooked yet. Oh. Are you done? Okay. See?
Oh, see?
Oh, I guess this is not enough. Oh, it's enough, Mamay.
It's enough.
1, 2, 3. Yay! This is perfect.
Just for one.
So you do
I
that.
said I want to do that.
Be careful. Wow. Where did you sew that? Oh, be careful. Be careful, your
A
hands.
cake. Look at the color of my cake.
A pancake.
Pumpkin. My pumpkin has so bright.
Are you done? You watch. You look at it first if it's done or not yet. You watch. You see? Did you saw that? Oh, it's brown. So it means it's done. Okay. You can off the pan. Off the pan. You off this pan. This one. Off. No. Hantay. Thank you. And then put that on.
Get set.
Yes.
What?
What's it? Yes. Yay.
Mine.
Kabo. It's
Mine.
done.
Mine.
You give this to Papay.
Cake. Cook.
You put that first. Put that first there. You go down. You go down first. You go. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Hmm?